How to make taskbar more transparent in Windows 10. I just installed Windows 10 the other day. I came from Linux and I'm surprised by how uncustomizable Windows is. I want to add more transparency to the taskbar, but I can't figure out how. Is it possible, and if so, how do I do it?
Here are 2 ways to modify the registry to make the taskbar more transparent. Method 1. Click on the Start menu and type regedit and hit Enter. Navigate to the following key: hkey_local_machine/software/Microsoft/Windows/current version/Explorer/Advanced. Right-click on the Advanced sub-key in the left window pane. Go down to New and select DWORD 32-bit value. Name the new value UCL taskbar transparency. Now double-click on the value you just renamed. In the new window, enter 1 in the value data field. Click OK and then reboot your PC. Method 2. If you don't feel like doing it manually through the registry, you can use a taskbar transparency hack.reg file from howtogeek.com that does the exact same thing described above, but this way you just have to double-click the .reg file contained in the zip download and it will import the key automatically. You will need to reboot after doing this method as well.
You can use Classic Shell to do this. There's an option in there that will allow you to make the taskbar transparent to whatever level you want. Procedure: download and install Classic Shell, above link. Open Classic Start menu settings. Check the box labeled Show All Settings. Click on the tab labeled Taskbar. Set a color and opacity. Note, you may want to remove some of the things Classic Shell does by default. Doing so shouldn't be too difficult, just look around the settings.
I use Taskbar++ to have more control over the taskbar. In the Taskbar++ options, you can make taskbar transparent and add blur to it like in Windows 7.